In today's video, you're going to learn the easiest way to create AI animated story videos. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Rock a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services, so you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. The first tool we are going to be using in our animation process is ChatGPT, and like you can see right now, I'm on its interface. So go ahead and sign up, then you find me over here. So now what you're going to do is to click on your left where it says GPTs. So you're going to click on that option and it's going to bring you over here. So down here, you're going to type in animation script builder. I already have it on my left, like you can see, but you can search for that and that's what we are going to be using. Okay. So you're going to go ahead and click on it just like this, and it's going to bring a new workspace, like you can see. Now down here, it shows you what the animation script builder does. And like you can see, it creates animation scripts with image, stock video prompts per shot. Okay. Now what we are going to do is to input our prompt. So I already have something ready, like you can see over here in my Google Docs. This is the generic prompt describing the character description and how many characters we want, the style, everything over here, like you can see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, I'm just going to highlight and then I copy. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste it in ChatGPT under the animation script builder. Okay, so if you want to try out this prompt, I'm going to share it with you guys in the description down below. Okay, once you're done, all you have to do here is to click on this button over here. Then we'll wait for the results that this tool is going to give us. So like you can see, these are the results that it has generated for us. But down here, it says, let's define the key visual elements first. So it just wants to be sure that it has everything right. So it has the character description of Caden. And then like you can see, we have a friend known as Nimbus. And then it went ahead to describe the animation style. And then down here, it gives us the next step. So it says, would you like me to generate the visuals of Caden and Nimbus now using the new ChatGPT 4.0 image model? So we can log in their look before scripting the full scenes. Once confirmed, I'll create their character visuals and then begin scene 1 of the animation script. So we are going to go ahead and just type in yes, click on enter, and we'll wait for the new results. Okay. Right now, it's done with the generation process. And like you can see, we have the visuals of Caden and Nimbus over here. So you're just going to scroll down furthermore and you see the details it provided. It has provided details of scene 1 with the first shot being having a narration. Then it has a short description and then also the text to image prompt, image to video prompt, and the same goes for short 2. So if you scroll down furthermore, you see that it's asking you if you'd like to continue with scene 2, where Caden and Nimbus encounter the fire tree and its reader challenge. So if you want like something longer, for example, for like YouTube, you are going to go ahead and type in yes down here, and then that will generate for you the second scene. But in this particular case, we are going to go ahead to ask this AI to generate for us the image prompts that it already provided for our scene 1. So let me go ahead and give it a new prompt. Our new prompt says generate all images for scene 1. So you're just going to go ahead and click on this button over here. We are going to give that time and we see what results it's going to generate for us. Don't forget to add the aspect ratio depending on what platform you're planning to upload these videos to. For example, if you're working on a YouTube video, it's going to be 16:9. Okay. So let's go through these images to see how they came out. Like you can see, this is for our first image prompt, and I think it looks good. This is the second one. So you can see the consistency in character, okay? That really came out great. Let's look at the third one. It's over here. This also looks great. Now, all you have to do from here is to follow the chart, okay, to build onto your scenes if that's something you want to do. So, like you can see down here, it says all images for scene 1 are now complete, ready to continue with scene 2, the fire trees reader challenge. So, if you're ready, all you have to do is to click on yes, and then you're going to click on this button that says generate. You're going to sit and wait for that until the results are ready. Like you can see, scene 2 is now ready with all the details. All you have to do is to go through all of these and you make sure you like them. Once you're ready, you're just going to follow the instructions down here. So it says, would you like me to generate the visuals for all scene 2 shoots now? You're just going to go ahead and type in yes, and then you'll continue with the same steps to build onto your story if you want something longer, like I said earlier on. So let me wait for this to generate, and I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing next. Our images are all now ready, so all you have to do is to go from the very first one, then you start downloading one by one. Then we are going to animate them, and then we turn them into videos with our next tool, like I'm going to show you. So let me download these really quick, and then we are going to proceed. The next tool we are going to be using is Sora AI, and this is the one that is going to help us to turn our images into videos. So I've already signed in, and its interface looks like this. So once you're here, you're just going to select this option that says videos. Then you're going to go ahead to click on this plus button over here. So you're going to choose this option of choose from library. Then you're going to click on the uploads option over here. Then like you can see, it says down here start a new upload by dragging or clicking here. So you're going to click on that option just like that, and it's going to bring you over here. So you're going to upload one image at a time. So let me do this really quick. Our first image is now ready, so we are going to go back to ChatGPT, and then we are going to copy our first scene image to video prompt. So it's over here for short 1. I'm just going to copy it just like this, and then I'm going to go back to Sora and paste it over here, okay, just like this. So if you want a different aspect ratio, there is different options over here. You can click and you choose a particular one that you want to use. So I want a 16:9. I'm going to stick with that. Then down here there is different resolutions, and like you can see, this is the fastest, the 480p. I'm going to stick with that. And also, if you want the video to be longer, you can either choose for it to be about 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 5 seconds. I'm going to leave it at 5 seconds. And then down here, you can select the variations. Do you want one video, two videos, four videos? There is that option as well. So there is one more option of preset. Once you click on that, you see the different options available. So I'm not going to choose any of these right now, but let's go ahead and click on this button over here to see what this AI is going to generate for us. Our first video is now ready, and like you can see, that's how it has come out like. But maybe one thing I can mention is that we didn't put the short description, so let's do it in the next video and we see how it's going to turn out. We are going to combine both the short description and then the image to video prompt to get better results. Okay, so like you can see, our second image is done uploading. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. On the second shot over here, let's first take the short description, okay, and we copy that just like this. We go back to Sora and paste it over here. So we are going to add onto that, like I told you guys, with the image to video prompt. Let's take this over here just like this, copy, and then we are going to paste it over here as well. Then we are going to go ahead to click on the generate button over here, and we wait for the results that this AI is going to generate for us. These are the results for our second video. I think the AI did an amazing job. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on the remaining images, turning them into videos off screen to save you guys time. And then I'm going to show you how we are going to add a narrator's voiceover to our video, and then how we are going to align it so that it becomes one and make it an interesting story. Okay. For our next step, we need to first change our text to speech. And like you can see, right now I have our entire story in my Google Docs, like you can see over here. So the tool we are going to be using that is going to save us a lot of time and money is Clipchamp. Okay, so this is what its interface looks like. And once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on this option that says create a new video. Okay, so you're going to give that time as it processes and it brings you to a new workspace. Then once you're here, you're going to click on this option that says record and create. So once you click on that option, it's going to bring you a variety of options, but what we are interested in right now is text to speech. So you're going to go ahead and click on that option just like that, and it's going to open for you a new workspace. And if you cannot access it yet, all you have to do is to click at the top right corner over here where it says text to speech, and like you can see, you have a new workspace. Now down here where it says text, we are going to go ahead and input all the text that we want to turn into a speech. So you're going to go back to where your voice is or your text is. Then you're just going to copy this, okay, just like this. So we are just going to go ahead and copy, then paste. Okay, copy, go back to Clipchamp and paste over here. Okay. Right now, I'm going through the whole process really fast to save you guys time, like you can see. Once you are done, you're going to come back up here, and like you can see, there is an option of language, so you can go through the different languages and choose the one you want to use. I'm going to leave the settings at English United States, and then down here there is an option of voice, so you can select the voice over personnel that you want to use. Like you can see, still there is different options, and if you want to listen to the voice before using it, you can simply choose the voice and then click over here. You listen to it and you see if that's what you want to use. So I'm going to leave my settings at Christopher, and then down here I'm going to click on save. If you want to preview first, still you can click on the option of preview and you see what that sounds like. Then you can go ahead to save. So I'm just going to click on save, and then we are going to see how our results have come out like. Okay, now let's go ahead and play the audio to see how it came out like.
In a world where trees whisper secrets and clouds make mischief, a boy named Caden takes his first step into magic. Caden. Whoa, this place feels alive, Nimbus. Nimbus zaps playfully and forms into a tiny umbrella above Caden's head as dew drizzles down from the trees. Deeper into the woods they wandered, until the trees grew warmer, and one began to speak.
Okay, that came out really nice. Now, next, what we are going to do is to upload our videos that we generated with Sora AI. And to do that, all you have to do is to come over here where there is option of your media. You'll click on that, and then it's going to give you an option of import media. So all you have to do is to click on this option, and then you'll be able to upload your videos. Like you can see, I'm done uploading mine. So let's go ahead and align everything together, the audio and the video, to make a good story. And to do that, all we have to do is to drag and drop the videos on top of the audio. You're going to listen and play it. Then you see if what they're saying is aligning with the video playing. So for this part, it's going to require your creativity as a designer. So let me first drop all the videos over here. Then I'm going to work on everything off screen, but I've given you all the tips that you're going to be working with, okay? Before I show you how the final video came out like, I also want to introduce you to this tool known as Kling AI. So it's also very good with image to videos. So you can try both Sora and Kling AI and you see which one gives better results. But the reason as to why I'm introducing Kling AI in this video is simply because it has an amazing feature of lip sync that I think you guys will like so much. So you're going to click on this option of assets, and then it's going to open up this page. So you're going to go ahead and click on this create a videos option, and then down here you're going to go and select image to video. Okay, once you're done, you'll click over here and you're going to be able to upload the image that you want to turn into a video. So let's wait for that, and then I'm going to be showing you what we are going to be doing next. Like you can see down here, I've input our general prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. And like you can see, our video is now ready. So if you notice down here, there is an option that says lip sync. So this is what I'm most excited about to show you guys. So you're going to go ahead and click on that option just like that. It's going to open up this workspace over here, and all you have to do is to input the text. Okay, so I'm going to paste it over there. This is the text I want the avatar to be saying. Then down here there is different options of voices, so you're just going to go through them. Since this is a boy, I'm going to select boy, then I'm going to choose a voice that I want to use. So I'll go with this one, Serge. Then after that, all you have to do is to click on this generate button. Once it's ready, all you have to do is to download it from over here. So let's go ahead and play it to see if we actually like it.
Whoa, this place feels alive, Nimbus.
Okay, that came out really great. So I'm back to Clipchamp. Let's go ahead and upload it as well. I'm going to include it in my design, and I'm going to show you how everything has come out like. So like you can see right now, I'm done with all the edits. So what's left is to add some background music, and to do that, we are going to be using Pixabay. So once you're in Pixabay, you're just going to type in the type of music that you want. So we want animation video music, so that's what you're going to search for. And like you can see, there is a variety of options down here that we can select from. So I'm randomly going to choose one to use as an example in today's video. I'm just going to go ahead and click on download. Like you can see, it's in the process. So I'm going to go back to Clipchamp. So I'm just going to get it, drag it, and drop it down here, just like that. So cut the parts or the areas that you don't want. So this is too long based on the video that we have. So I'm just going to drag this backward, or you can simply just cut and delete. Okay, so I want it up to there, just like that. And I don't want the volume to be competing with the main video's volume, so let's reduce on that. I'm going to make it lower, so I want it to be like so low. Okay, just like that. Then once you're done, if you want to add captions to your video, all you have to do is to click on this option that says try now, and then you're going to click on transcribe media. So like you can see, I only clicked on this option of captions. Okay, if you didn't get that, and now it's in the process, it's adding the captions to our video. Like you can see down here, our auto captions are now ready, and it's time for us to export our video and also play it to see how it has turned out. But before we do that, if you found value in today's video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Okay guys, thank you so much, and let's proceed. So to export our video, all you have to do is to click on this option over here that says export, and then you're going to choose this quality over here, which is the highest. Then you're going to give it time to download. If you want to name it or give it a certain title, feel free to do it from over here. Okay, you can just delete and then write in anything you want, like you can see. So guys, let me take you straight to our final product, and we see how the video came out like, and see you guys in my next one.
In a world where trees whisper secrets and clouds make mischief, a boy named Caden takes his first step into magic. Caden.
Whoa, this place feels alive, Nimbus.
Nimbus zaps playfully and forms into a tiny umbrella above Caden's head as dew drizzles down from the trees. Deeper into the woods they wandered,